Well, hello to everyone. Uh, I got a package today, but first, let me show you something. Let me grab my mouse. Let's open an. Okay, let's open YouTube. Of course, NCS. No copyright music. Okay. Let's play some music. Okay, no ads, thank you. Just a few seconds. Okay, oh Jesus, lots of ads. Let me just crank it up. Can you hear? These are max level. Can you hear anything? Because I can't. Cable broke after 3 years. And also the cushion from the ear. As you can see here, everything just broke. These were good, but I got something new. So and I present to you the Onikuma, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing this right, Onikuma professional gaming set. They are said to have high fidelity, dynamic drivers, padded headband, inline control, which means controllers on the cable, precise and noise cancelling microphone. Well, we'll see about that. Without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, the packaging seems pretty nice. Let's just open this up. Okay, you just got a little box. This is from Marketplace. Are you happy with your order? Okay, never mind. Let's just move this out of the way. Well, the actual packaging is just this. Okay. Whoa. So the build quality seems pretty robust. It's plastic, of course. Yeah, plastic. The cushions are really soft. The microphone is adjustable. Well, let's see. They fit really nice. They are not too heavy. They are actually... Oh, I forgot to open these up. Oh, much more nicer. Okay, let me get this out of the way. You got a little manual. This is how you install, meaning what install? These are headphones. Don't have to install anything. You just plug it in and you start listening to it. Let's see. So let's get this out of the way. We have a braided cable which is 2 meters long. Also comes in with an adapter. If you want to use it for your phone or PS4 or whatever console, you got the standard, or you can use the splitter or the adapter to mic and headphones, which I'm gonna use because I'm gonna plug these in my PC. And the USB for LED, if I'm not mistaken. Well, let's just plug it in and see how this goes. The quality of the cable seems pretty decent. Let me just open this. Okay, let me show the controls first. I'll put this on my head because it's easier for me to explain. So you have a volume rocker right here, and you have mic on and off. That's it. You don't need anything else. Let's plug this in and see how this sounds. The sound is really good. I just wanted to show you how loud there can be without... This is a full volume, but with 30-40%. They're not gonna disturb your neighbors unless you really want to listen really loud. The LEDs, also you have LED on the mic, you have LED on the headphones. Okay, so the sound quality, it's okay. Let's say with even a lot of volume, the bass is not that strong. Let's say they don't have a strong bass, but the quality is really good. I like these ones. They are a little heavy if you prefer some let's say some lighter headphones if you're disturbed, but they seem pretty comfortable, because if you see up top, I've lifted the headband all the way to the top, and the pressure is not like really a pressure, but the weight is on my ears, let's say, but not that much, so it's pretty comfortable. So, as a conclusion, before we jump to any conclusions, we have to see how the mic is going, right? So how the mic sounds. So while I'll just play you a little slow-mo of the headphones, I'll just add some narration via the microphone in the video later, so you can enjoy the mic sound, just so you can see for yourself if you can use these for gaming, for streaming, or for, I don't know, Skype, or for whatever tool you want to use it. What I really want to point out is that first is the mic, as you can see, is really adjustable, and how do you call it, the mic holder, let's say the whole thing that comes through the headphones is really sturdy. It's well made. It's not gonna fall down, for example. When you don't want to use it, you just lift it up and then you break it down, and this seems really comfortable. I mean, this is the first look, but oh my god. I'm using the, sorry, let's not scream into the camera. I'm using the volume not so full, I mean not full volume, but the sound seems really good. And as you can see here, these are full ears, over ear headphones, how do you want to call it, but they seem pretty good, pretty decent. So these were the Onikuma, I hope I'm saying this correctly. Onikuma K5. Where is it? K5, yes, over here. So we have the Onikuma K5 gaming headset. It has 15 millimeters directional drivers, noise cancelling microphone. Well, we'll see about that in just a few seconds. Adjustable steel slider and multi-platform compatibility. As I showed you earlier, you have the adapter in the box, which you can plug it in or not if you want to use it via PC, or if you want to use your phone, if you want to use your console, if you want to use whatever you want to use it. So listen to the sample, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Hello. So this is a test of the headphones mic. These are the Onikuma K5 professional gaming headset. It should come with some noise cancelling microphone, as they say. The volume is now 100% from the operating system, from Windows, and we also have boost levels to 20%. We're gonna see how this sounds, if it's really clear or not. And damn, the sound is really good. I mean, I have some microphone for recording, which I usually use, and it's a Tracer Screamer, but it doesn't sound even closer to these ones. This is just pure audio from the mic. This is nothing edited, no filters, no enhancements or anything. You can, of course, you can use Audacity, the software, to everything to softer your voice or to clear the sound if you want. But I think these sound amazing for the price, and yeah, you got a great mic, you got a great pair of headphones, all around a great package.